there you have it, guys. That is the edge work and the lawn mowing complete. Not too shabby, and this is probably the best the lawn's going to look for the next week or two, because now we are moving into the next process. You guys will see I've applied the lawn dressing on top of the lawn using the leveling rake, and you'll see some places are obviously darker than others, and that's obviously because that's where there's a bigger ditch or crevice, especially here right next to the tiles. That's where I was finding the biggest dips in the grass were, so that's where I've applied most of the lawn dressing. And yeah, we're busy in the watering process now. I'm going to give the entire garden a thorough watering, and I'll check in with you guys again later. Alright, so that is it for the day, guys. As you can see, I've given the lawn a thorough soak down, and that'll ensure that all the top dressing goes nice and deep into the lawn, and all we can now do is be patient and wait and give it about a week or so, and after that we will see the results. So I will be checking in with you guys again in about a week from now, so that you can see what the new lawn growth looks like.